Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Salesforce Commerce Cloud for beginners in 2024. So getting started with Salesforce Commerce Cloud, which is SFCC, can be a powerful way to elevate your e-commerce business. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. Of course, Salesforce Commerce Cloud is a leading, first of all, e-commerce platform designed to provide some seamless and powerful shopping experience for your customers. So let's explore how you can get it or get started with it, and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, make sure to go and sign up and access the dashboard of your Salesforce. So go to the URL section, just type salesforce.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. So for me, I'll just change the language into English. I don't know why it's in French. Let me just go and change it to English. Okay, it's not changing. So let me just scroll down to the bottom. And yeah, here's the region. I'll need to choose United States English. Yeah, this should be good to go. So here, make sure to go to the top right corner. Make sure to log in into your Salesforce account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on try it for free instead. So for me, I'll just go here and try to log in into my account. And wait, did I remember my Okay, I don't remember my username. So I'll just go here and create a new account as example. So starting by first name as example, Omex, and last name, of course, job title. I'll just type students as example. So student email, just type here my email. I guess they'll tell me this email is used, but let me just check. So phone number should be like something like this. And wait, I don't remember my phone name. I'll have to go and check my full name and my phone number, of course. So please, I'll just do this. Company, I'll just name it this. I agree to that. I don't want to receive any like marketing communications and regarding, of course, the Salesforce product services and events. Of course, I can unsubscribe at any time. So if you want to like receive that, check it. If you don't, no need. So for the number, it should be something like this. And what about now? Yeah, it's good to go. So here I'll just go and click on start my free trial right away and hope, of course, they accept my account. So let me just check first of all everything is correct. Yeah, and click on start my free trial. Of course, as you can see, no credits required and no software to install. All you need to do simply when your first trial would get like some preloaded data. As you can see, you can upload your own pre-configured processes, reports and dashboards, guided content, how-tos and best practices for sales, online training and live onboarding webinars and etc. And yeah, as you can see, you can even after that start paying like $25 per month. I don't know why when I click on start my free trial, it's not working. So it seems like it's not working. I'll just go as an example, open new tab here. Okay. Once English, you just gotta remove this. And here's an example. I'll just go and click on login. For the username, I don't know if that's gonna be my username. So I'll just go here and click as example on forgot my password. I don't know if I even remember my login name. So I'll just type Omex as an example and try to type continue. Can't find this username. So what about like that? Or maybe my username is this. I put that username a lot. So what about I need help logging in as an example. So here they have a video as an example how to log in. So okay. It seems like you need your username, which I don't remember at the moment. But what's if it's my email? I'll just check that. If it's work, it will be great. If it didn't, okay. So they send me a link. So I'll just go to my email provider here as an example. So I'll wait for the email so send an email to the link to finish resetting your password. If you can't find the email, check your spam folder. If you can send login, just resend the email or contact your Salesforce administrator. So I'll just go here. I'll just go and check spam. Nothing on spam. And what about I'll just go here to all mails. So nothing in here yet. So I'll just go and click on resend email. I'll just retype that email address as an example and click on continue. So, okay, I'll just go here and refresh just in case. Nothing about like all mails, nothing in here. And what about spam? So nothing. So I'll just go here to inbox and check for sales like force. Okay, so it seems like there is nothing from Salesforce or something like that. So it's fine. So here, basically for you, you'll have to go. Maybe they have a problem at their website at the moment, but for you, just go and click on Start My First Trial, of course, to go and create a new account. And as we said, if you want to start using like the Commerce Cloud, so basically for you, once you sign up into your account, of course, you'll have access to the, of course, Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Then of course, you can start setting up your storefront, adding product and categories. So I'll try to find an article, something like that. So, as an example, how to start like using Salesforce. I'll try to find an article because I cannot show you like the visuals because I couldn't create a new account. So how to start using like Salesforce Commerce Cloud, as we said. So Commerce like Cloud, and hit the enter button as example. So here, as example, an article that it seems is gonna show you how to do it. So basically, like learning objectives, what's Commerce Cloud, and a lot of other stuff. So I'll just skip this for now. As you can see, so they show you B2B commerce, we'll explain it to you, B2C commerce, Einstein for B2C, Salesforce order management, and etc. There's even a video if you are curious about how customers use Commerce Cloud, as an example. So in article's example, if you follow it, you will understand a lot about it. As you can see, this is provided by even Salesforce. So if you follow it and read a lot about it, you'll, as you can see, estimated time is 10 minutes. So basically, you will understand how to get started with Commerce Cloud. And you can even see here the basics example, how to get started, how to get know trends and etc. So if you follow those two, you'll be good to go. Sorry for not providing visuals. I couldn't create an account. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.